Chapter 2 Polynomials. We already learned in Standard 9. What is the meaning of polynomials? Poly means many, nomials means terms. An expression which contains many terms is called a polynomial. What is the definition of a polynomial? Let f of x be a polynomial with variable x. Then f of x equal to a0 x raised to 0 plus a1 x raised to 1 plus a2 x squared plus etc. plus an x raised to n, where a0, a1, a2 etc. an are real numbers and x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x squared etc. x raised to n are variables. For example, f of x equal to 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. How many terms in this polynomial? First term 4x square, second term 5x, third term 7. What is the coefficient of x square? The numerical part of this term 4x square is called the coefficient of x square, that is 4. What is the coefficient of x? 5. What is the coefficient of x raised to 0? 7. That means 7 can be written as 7x raised to 0. The value of x raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, coefficient of x raised to 0 equal to 7. Second example, f of x equal to 9x cube minus 5x square plus 6x minus 2. How many terms in this polynomial? First term 9x cube, second term negative 5x squared, third term 6x, negative 2 last term. What is the coefficient of x cube? 9, coefficient of x squared negative 5, coefficient of x 6, coefficient of x raised to 0 negative 2. Next, classification of polynomials. First one, classification based on terms. Second one, classification based on degrees. Classification based on terms: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Here, polynomial having a single term is called a monomial. For example, 3x squared, only one term. Second example, 4y, only one term, 6a. Binomial, polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. For example, 9x plus 6y. In this example, 9x and 6y are the two terms. Then 9x plus 6y is called binomial. 3mn plus 4n. Next, 5a plus 2b. Trinomial, polynomial having three terms. 2a plus 3b plus c, 5x plus 2y plus 9. Next, classification based on degrees. What is the meaning of degree? For example, 3x raised to 7 plus 5x raised to 4 plus 6. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial means the highest power of the variable x. Here, what is the highest power of the variable x? 7. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 7. First one, linear polynomial. Polynomial having degree 1. For example, x. What is the highest power of the x? 1. Therefore, degree also 1. Second example, y. Third one, 2a. Next, quadratic polynomial. Polynomial having degree 2. Example, a square plus 4a. What is the highest power of the variable a? 2. Therefore, this polynomial having degree 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. Next example, 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. Next one, cubic polynomial. Polynomial having degree 3. Example, x cube plus 2x squared plus 5. Second example, 4x cube plus 5x plus 3x squared plus 7. Here 3 is the highest power, then degree of this polynomial is 3. Here also 3 is the highest power, degree of this polynomial also 3.